As young people grow up, they understand the significance of the phrase, adulting is real. Maturing into adulthood brings various responsibilities and challenges that must be faced. Keeping up with all the rent, bills, and financial deadlines can be incredibly stressful. But it doesn't always have to be this way. Most of us have financial responsibilities that we need to manage. But if done in an organized manner, we can avoid a significant amount of anxiety. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their finances and tackle everything about money and financial literacy. To watch related videos and content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. Here's an introductory video for anyone looking to manage their finances better and live a peaceful life. You must complete this clip if you're keen on controlling your money. Here are 8 simple steps to help you create an effective budget to aid this process. Knowing how to budget correctly will serve you well throughout your life. First, track your expenses. This way, you can understand where your money is going and have better control over it. Tracking your expenses is vital to successful financial planning. Without a clear idea of where your money is going, you risk heading down the wrong path, which may lead to financial disaster. To avoid this, it's important to list and monitor all your expenses so you know exactly how much you are spending. That way, you can make sure you're always headed in the direction of financial freedom. You weren't aware of the places to go because you hadn't made a list beforehand. For either 30 or 60 days, you can easily list all your expenses by simply writing them down. However, for those who are too lazy to do so, there is no need to worry, as it is still possible to keep track of one's expenses. Keeping receipts and utilizing budgeting apps or software makes it incredibly simple to compute and monitor one's expenses with minimal effort and accuracy. Second, look at your monthly income and do the math. Remember that the input versus output principle is important to remember when making decisions and working on tasks. Having more expenses than income is a sign of trouble. It's always wise to make sure your income exceeds your costs. That way, you'll easily meet all your financial obligations. Taking stock of your income sources is essential to getting a handle on your finances. Make sure you track both primary and secondary streams of income. Additionally, it can help you understand if your current earnings are sufficient for your financial needs. Listing them all down will empower you to have greater control over budgeting. Third, prioritize your expenses. It is important to take the time to list all your needs and wants. As we all know, it is necessary to prioritize your needs before your desires, as the needs are often more essential and should be taken care of first. The needs versus wants list can help you prioritize how to spend your money and sort out what is most important in life. This is an excellent tool for those struggling with deciding between saving for their future or indulging in a luxury item. Doing so will help you stay on track with what matters most and help you make choices that benefit you in the long run. Hey there! Are you enjoying this video? If so, don't forget to like and share this video. Your subscription to this channel would also be helpful for you to learn more about financial topics. And if you want to read about similar topics like this one, hit that subscribe button. But now, let's continue the video. Fourth, establish a realistic financial goal. Achieving financial freedom starts with establishing realistic, achievable goals. Start by writing down your priorities, such as clearing any debt you owe, or saving for a car, laptop, or phone, and ensure that these objectives are SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. When you have a specific goal, knowing what needs to be done is easier. For example, I want to clear my debt in 6 months, or I want to save for an iPhone. Measurable. Measure your plan's progress. How much debt has been cleared? How much was saved? What are your monthly savings goals? The clearer you can be about what is being achieved, the more likely you are to achieve those goals. Achievable. Do not set yourself up for failure by setting a difficult goal that takes too long to achieve. Relevant. If you have a goal that is not relevant, it will be hard to know if you are making any progress. Time-bound. Be specific about how long your plan will take, and then keep track of your progress to see if you're on track. Let's move on to the fifth step. It is essential to cut down on unnecessary expenses if your income isn't enough to cover your costs. Luxury goods should be removed from the budget as they will strain your finances further. Any additional income you receive may not be enough to make ends meet unless you reduce spending. You should reduce how much you spend on shopping if you are struggling to meet your monthly expenses. If you can't afford a luxury, save money before buying it. You may also want to focus on investing in long-term items such as a car or home. If you feel like your income isn't sufficient, the sixth step would be to look for additional sources of income. This way, you'll have more money to make ends meet. Have you ever thought of having a side hustle to supplement your regular income? It is truly an amazing way to make money in addition to your primary source of income. You can do it online, work from home, or provide specialized services. The opportunities are practically endless. Getting started on this journey can help you achieve financial freedom and provide you with a security of multiple income streams. A side hustle is a job or occupation that brings in extra money beyond one's regular job and primary source of income. In the seventh step, aim to automate processes as much as you can. Treating your budget like paying taxes is an excellent strategy for staying on top of your finances. Like when paying taxes, everything can already be deducted automatically, so you don't have to worry about managing everything yourself. Automation is key when it comes to budgeting. You should automate your bills, emergency funds, and savings so that each month part of your money is allocated specifically for those things. Automating will help you stay organized and ensure that you are consistently saving and preparing for any unexpected expenses. Eighth, the use of a budgeting guide is one of the most important aspects of personal finance and can help you manage your finances efficiently. There are a variety of formulas available, and it may be hard to choose which one is right for you. But no matter which option you go with, it's the one that fits your lifestyle that matters. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule is a great way to manage your finances. Allocate 50% of your income toward needs, 30% toward wants, such as travel, shopping, and dining out, and 20% toward savings. You can also adjust the percentages according to what suits you best. Always remember the 8 steps to creating an effective budget to help you manage your finances better. Number 1. Track your expenses. Number 2. Review your monthly income and do the math. Number 3. Prioritize your expenses. Number 4. Establish a realistic financial goal. Number 5. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Number 6. Identify additional sources of income. Number 7. Automate tasks. And number 8. Use a budgeting guide. It would help if you learned how to budget your finances as early as possible to develop good money management skills and ensure that you do not suffer from any financial stress in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. To be more knowledgeable about financial topics, make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.